So hey guys, this is Biswajit and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can write multiple lines to a CSV file. So in the previous video, if you have watched, I have shown you how you can write one line at a time. In this video, I'll show you how you can write multiple times with one function. So my Jupyter notebook is already on, as you can see. So I'll import CSV with open sample.csv, and we'll open this in write mode. We'll provide new line as blank, and we'll provide encoding as UTF-8. So I hope you know about this. This is the write mode. New line we are passing like this because if we don't pass new line as blank, it will create an additional lines after every write statement, after every write line. And encoding UTF-8, it's a good habit to also define the encoding. If you don't define this, it won't harm. By default, it will set an encoding. So I have to define the file object, CSV file. Now I have, from the CSV module, I have to get the write object, CSV writer equal to CSV dot writer. Okay. Now I'm creating the CSV writer object, which is this. I mean, I defined it. I still didn't created it. It will be created during execution. Now, what I have to do, CSV writer dot write rows. Okay. Now we can pass any iterable. It should be a list of list or a tuple of tuple. Let me show you. The data should be passed in this format. It can be a list containing a list like this. So one list will be written as a line in the CSV file. You can pass any iterable. You can pass a tuple of tuples. Even this should also work. But we'll keep this apart from now. We'll see this later. Let's get some data. I have this data with me. Okay, so now I want to write this to a CSV file. Now I'll pass this over here. DATA. I've executed this first and then I'm executing this. This you can do in Jupyter Notebook. So if I do Shift Enter, now sample.csv. If I run this, our lines are already written over here. Now this is a list of lists. So there are multiple lists, okay, inside a list. So this is a nested list. You have to pass data in nested list, and one list will be written as a single line in the CSV file. Now, can we pass a tuple? Let's see. I'll delete this CSV file and I'll run this first and I will run this. Yes, see, we are able to use a tuple also. Maybe a tuple of tuples. And if I execute this, and if I execute, let me delete this. And if I execute this, see, this one. We are writing one single list as one single line over here. And you can see the comma is automatically gets inserted because this is a CSV writer object writing to this file. So now one funny thing I'll show you regarding tuples. Let me place my data over here. Anyways, you can keep there also. You can keep here also. You can keep here also. Doesn't matter. So, for example, if I have a list of tuples, maybe apple, and the tuple contains name of fruits. So apple, mango, banana. And if I execute this, and then if I execute this, you will see one trick thing happening, which is this. So what it did, it expanded our string and it printed it in this format. So when you are working with tuple and you have only one element over there, just make sure you put a comma over here. This is a small trick. And if I do shift and enter to execute, and if I run this also, you can see it is coming now properly. So only if you're using tuples and you have only one item inside that tuple, just make sure you put a comma so that this string doesn't get expanded. So I hope this video was a little bit informative. And if you liked it, do press that like button. If you have any kind of issue or any kind of problem, do ping me in the comment section. I'll check them out. And as always, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the upcoming video.